Let me tell you guys the whole truth. The worst mistake you will do as a small channel is to go ahead and start sharing your YouTube channel to your family and friends, is to go ahead and start sharing your YouTube channel to the people that really do not care about your channel, okay? Like, let me be honest with you. The people that will never care about your content, that will never care about your channel, that will never care about your YouTube as a whole, or even if you're creating content on other social media platform, are your family people, the ones you call friends, the ones you trust the most. You understand what I'm trying to say? And I'm saying this out of experience. I've said it countless times here that when I started my YouTube channel, one of the biggest mistake I did was to go ahead and start sharing my channels to my family and friends. It got to a point whereby a colleague that I was working with, we were friends, we're not having any issues, we are good. She will always come and be like, oh, you're doing well, you're doing well, you're doing well. She will go behind me and thumbs up my videos. So I was so curious because I shared this particular video to few family and friend. How was I getting thumbs up on the thumbs down, not thumbs up, guys, thumbs down on the video? Then I just jokingly played with her because my mind was just telling me this person is the person doing this, and I do not doubt my instincts. So I went ahead and I joked with her and I said, oh, let me just see your phone. And then when she gave me her phone, she went upstairs to go and serve a particular guest. I swiped into the YouTube channel and I noticed that all my videos that she actually watched was thumbs down. She never thumbs anyone up. That means there is 99 possibility that she did not even watch them. She would just come and be hailing me, oh, the YouTuber, vibe with Sonia, oh, the YouTuber. You understand what I'm trying to say? But I have to comfort her one-on-one, and I told her, why are you thumbsing down my videos? What have I done to you? You call yourself my friend. So if you call yourself my friend, then why are you doing this to me? She then say, oh, she didn't know. She thought that that was thumbs up. She thought that, but you saw thumbs up because at that time there was a thumbs up button and there was a thumb down button on YouTube. You understand what I'm saying? But you saw thumbs up, but you left the thumbs up and then you went ahead to thumbs down my videos. And from that day, I actually learned a very great lesson, not to be sharing my videos with any of my family and friends. Some family and friends went to the extent on telling me that, do you think you're going to be successful? So they are going to discourage you because they're not seeing any future in what you are doing as a small content creator. If you're fond of sharing your content out to family, friends, and people that really do not care about your content, they are even going to be helping the YouTube algorithm drag it backward. Now, if you don't know what YouTube algorithm means, now this is how the YouTube algorithm works. You see, the moment you are sliding a video, the moment you come on YouTube and then you just go ahead, swipe a video, swipe a video, swipe a video, the YouTube algorithm, that is the impression that is giving you for people to actually click. So the moment they are not clicking, they start dragging your videos backward. So the moment you upload a video on YouTube and you went ahead to share the link to them immediately and thinking that they will watch, or you share it probably to your WhatsApp status, thinking that they will watch, and they click on it, just see small thing that you're doing probably in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and just swipe off on that video. It has given YouTube the signal that that video is actually not doing well. That's the honest truth. So if you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to make sure that you are exploring on YouTube, if you want to make sure that you're cashing out on YouTube, avoid sharing your content as a small content creator. I have a community on Telegram with over 3,000 people there. I have a community on YouTube, on WhatsApp. I have people, like two different community on my WhatsApp, on my YouTube community group, right? I hardly share my content. If you see me share my content, there are videos I've already promised them that I have not dropped. So the moment I drop that video, I share it. And I don't share it immediately so that you don't know, so that you should know, sorry. I share it after like 1 hour. That video have stayed on YouTube. That is when I will share. Ask every single person that is in my YouTube community. You cannot see me flood that place with sharing my content. Normally, I have the right. I can decide to say every single videos I create now, I start sharing it back to back. But I don't do that. Except that video is important. People, probably videos like YouTube studio setup, how vidIQ works, like basically videos that will help them grow as content creator. That is the only video link I will share there. And I don't share immediately, I share after 1 hour when YouTube have already done their job. I did a video yesterday. I don't know. I think that video will definitely go up before this one, where I actually talked about why YouTube stopped recommending my videos. If you check most places where my recommendation is coming from, it's coming from browse features, it's coming from other sources. You understand? Because YouTube stopped recommending it because I have a strike. But still, I have all of the opportunity to say, okay, let me share. At least you people, I have 3,000 of you, 1,000, go and watch. They will come and watch me. But I don't do that because I know the repercussion of sharing video, even as a big content creator. You understand? I don't go ahead and pick the link from my channel here and share to my Facebook. The only thing I do, if you know me very well, is I put a sneak peek of what I already create here. And then I tell people, if you want to watch more, this is my handle, Vibe with Sonia, go and watch more. That is what I do. Because if these people are coming from external sources and at the end of the day, they are not watching as supposed, YouTube is not going to be distributing your videos as you think. It's not going to be distributing it. YouTube is going to say, oh, you know the job very well, so keep doing your job. Keep uploading and then you share. That is why at the end of the day, when you stop sharing, you find out that even when you come back to YouTube, you find out that you are the only one that is viewing your content because you stop sharing. Now, can these mistakes be corrected? Yes, it can be corrected, right? You've done the mistake and finally you've realized. Now, how do you correct this mistake? Now, the first thing you need to do now is to narrowly niche down on your channel. Know exactly what is working for you that you can work with. Now, the second thing you need to do now is, instead of sharing outside now, once you upload your videos, share it on YouTube, like create a post on your YouTube community. Even your old videos that you have, go ahead and create a post on your YouTube community. You understand? Now, the third thing is give the YouTube algorithm space to do their job. So even if you're not seeing any views, even if you're seeing 0 views for the past 10 hours, for the past 6 hours, for the past 9 hours, leave it. Leave it. It will peak. It will peak. Just leave it. Your own is give yourself a schedule, which is the fourth thing you're supposed to do, right? Give yourself a schedule and a particular time that you're going to be uploading your videos. So don't just come on YouTube and upload your videos by 5 a.m. You come on YouTube and upload your video by 6 a.m. You come on YouTube and upload your video by 12 a.m., 12 p.m. Don't do that. Just go ahead and take a specific time that, okay, all my videos on YouTube are going to be going up by 6 p.m. All my videos on YouTube are going to be going up by 12 p.m. Or better still, if you have enough data on your channel, YouTube will be able to show you enough data. So go ahead and check your YouTube Studio Analytics and pick out the right time that YouTube actually have for you there. So like on my own end, I have 12 p.m., 12 a.m., 6 a.m., 6 p.m., right? So your own might be 10 a.m., 10 p.m., depending. Now, pick a particular time. That is why if you're seeing me uploading video here, is either I upload by 6 p.m. or I upload by 12 p.m. If you check my content, that is it. Now, within those times that my viewers, that YouTube tell me that my viewers are online, when I upload, I will get people to watch my content. I will not just come and say, oh, by 3 o'clock, let me go ahead and upload. Oh, by 2 o'clock, let me go ahead and upload. That is the best ways you can sort this out. So, but if you keep looking at the analysis and you say, oh, nobody's watching, let me just go ahead and share again. When you get monetized, it's even going to be more tougher because once your family people know that you are monetized, they will not even want to watch. I can tell you that till today, my sisters are not coming to watch my content. Not like they don't support me. They support what I do, but like, they will tell you they're also pursuing their money. They're also busy doing whatever that they're doing. You understand? So 99% of people that watch my content are people that I am creating value and they are watching because I have value to dish out to them. That's the best advice I can give you. If you cannot take this advice this time around as a small channel, it's going to be deep. If you ask most of the successful channel, it is not by sharing content. It is not. You understand? You can have 1,000 subscribers and have 1 million views. I can have 90,000 subscribers and have 2 views. It is possible on YouTube. You understand? So do not and stop sharing your content. Take all of these solutions that I put in place and trust me, you will not regret this. Anyways, if you find this video helpful, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, let's say in my videos, I'm going to be saying back and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.